Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be showing you a method where you can actually go and earn $30 over and over again just by typing some words. Now, make sure you stay tuned right to the very end so you set up everything absolutely correctly. Now, this website is totally free to sign up to, and you can earn this $30 over and over again worldwide. So like I say, stay tuned right to the very end. We're going to walk through this system very quickly and show you how you can actually earn $30 over and over again just by typing some words and build it into a massive business. The first thing you need to do is come onto the website and click on the sign up button here. This will take you to this page here where you can put in a username, email address and password. Click the terms of service and click on the sign up button. If you wanted to sign up with Google or Facebook, you can do that, which makes it even easier. Once inside, we want to choose YouTube videos here. Now don't panic, you're not going to be making any videos yourself. You're not having to appear on camera or anything like that. Make sure you stay tuned. Follow this system and you could be making $30 over and over again just by typing some words very easily. You don't need any skills to do this at all. Do this as a total beginner. Now once we're on YouTube videos, we want to click on intros and outros. What you've got to do from here is you've got to choose a particular template. We're going to show you how you can go and get paid for doing this. Like I say, $30 over and over again. Very simple, just for typing a few simple words. If we choose this template for argument's sake and we come up and we click on the editor button, and all you have to do is just type in simple words into the boxes. Go to the next scene, and as you can see here, we now need to type in more information into the box. Now you can, if you want, you can change different colors as well. Just by changing the color here, you can actually change the video completely. You just need then to title your video. If you're happy with it, you can actually hit the publish button right here. Then just download the video. Make sure it's an MP3 file and then download. This one I made earlier of one of my YouTube channels. See how simple it is? Next thing you want to do is sign up for a site called Fiverr.com. Once you're inside the Fiverr.com, if we go to video and animation and we go to intro and outro videos. Now as you can see here, if we scroll down, there are loads of different people here selling these gigs to clients and customers. I will design an animated outro video ending screen for YouTube. And this is starting at £25, which is over $30. And he's actually had 677 clients. This one's had over 1,000 clients and over $30. And again, I will create unique YouTube intro and outro video. So as you can see, there are loads of people here and loads of people wanting this service. Over 1,000 on this one, and this one is that they're charging nearly $100 per video. All you have to do is set up an account on Fiverr and set up what they call gigs. Then you can just copy similar and word it similar to the ones that are already here. Put your price in, and once you get a client, all you do then is get the relevant information from the client and then come and copy and paste it into your videos. And there are loads of different templates in here. You've got science YouTube, YouTube cooking channel, gardening channel, DIY channel, art channel. And you've got outros and intros here as well. So it's all there for you. All you've got to do is obviously brand it to your client and type in a few simple words. To do this without the watermark, you will have to upgrade your account. But look in here, it's going to cost you $10 per month. And then you've only got to sell one video and you are in profit straight away. Now the site we've used to make the videos is called Animaker. Others out there as well. You could use Vidu. Visme is another one that you could actually use. And also VidQuick, and actually says free intro maker for YouTube. If you're going to do this as a business, you're not going to want the watermark on there, so you're going to have to upgrade. But again, they are all just a few dollars every month. And like I say, you're just going to have to do one video to actually cover the cost of this. And then every other video that you're doing for $30 every single time will be profit. Trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.